So I allowed myself to do some modifications on this lich character. I added this skeletal armor because I thought it would be much more interesting this way. Now the thing what we're going to try to do here, we're going to try to create like an ambient occlusion texture. And so how do we do that? Uh, so this is actually going to make it look quite nice. The first thing you're going to check is that on this torso we have the UVs, and we do. They're not perfect, but I'm just going to go with that for now. They're not overlapping, that's important. This is just automatic mapping. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to assign a new material to this. And under Arnold AI Ambient Occlusion, that's what I want to do. And now with that, I can start baking the ambient occlusion on this character. So what I'm going to do here now is utilities. And here I'm going to just render selection to texture. And in here, those are your default settings. So I'm going to create peak resolution 2048. You got to specify the output folder, characters lich. Let's just save it there. And the default setting are fine. I'm just going to render it. And so what it's doing right now is basically calculating ambient occlusion for this mesh. And it might take a while, so don't be discouraged. In this case, it didn't take long. All right, it depends on your computer, I guess. Now, how do we see it? Well, first of all, I would just assign like a Lambert material or something. And then in your Lambert, you can just navigate to File. And in there, you can actually pick that texture that it was made. And it looks like this. So now if you press 6, you will see your ambient occlusion on your character in Maya. So that's looking way, way more interesting right now. And as I combine it with colors and textures, it's going to look really good in game. So, you know, this is very simple. This is not an elaborate character, but little tricks like this definitely add to the details and make it more interesting. Like, I'm not a modeler, I'm not an animator, but using those little tricks can make it look good. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.